Meaning of high road.
High road.
High road.
High road.
High road. The phrase high road typically refers to a morally and ethically superior course of action. It is often used in contrast with the low road, which refers to a less noble or less conscientious approach to a situation. Choosing the high road can entail taking the more difficult or challenging path, but it represents a commitment to integrity, honesty, and respect for others. Ultimately, following the high road can lead to greater personal fulfillment, stronger relationships, and a more positive impact on the world around us.